Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to tell you all about another amazing Creatively Inked kit. So now we are ready to subscribe to the October 2025 Creatively Inked kit. This kit is gorgeous. It uses the Traditions of Christmas suite from the September to December mini catalog, and it is beautiful. So let me share with you the projects that we're going to make this month. I think you're going to like them. Has beautiful traditional Christmas colors with pops of dark grays. This is your non-card project this month. It's really cute. And this is a really pretty fancy fold. Now, I'm not showing you the insides of the projects because those are exclusive to the subscribers and they're always really special on the inside. There's a gift card holder, a non-card project, and then you're going to create 3 additional projects. So for a total of 5, plus you will receive a completed project already done in your kit. So you can use that to share with someone special, or you can use that to use for inspiration for additional projects that you might want to make moving forward. So you are going to receive about $20 of supplies in your kit so that you can create your projects. You can make up to about 2 projects with what is included in your kit. So if you wanted to add an extra set of projects kits, those are always available as an add-on. And with the holidays coming up, you might want some extra cards to send. So this kit is available right now. If you subscribe to Creatively Inked, you will receive this kit as your first kit. The last day to subscribe to get this kit is going to be October 20th. And then on October 21st, it's going to be our November kit. So this is your holiday card kit for the year. So this is the feature that we're going to be using this month. This is the traditional labels stamp and die set. The labels are amazing. There's lots of detail on the edges of these, really great shapes and sizes. And then the traditional labels stamp set is a sentiment builder set. So you can use all these words to create a sentiment that says exactly what you want your project to say. But this is not limited to the holidays. So these labels you can use all year long. And then there are several words in here that you will also be able to use throughout the year, especially if you have a stamp that says birthday. You can pull it in and mix and match with some of these to continue to use this beyond the holidays. Now, we will be using the traditional wreath embossing folder on one of the projects. If you want to make more of these projects after you complete your kit, I am offering this as an add-on if you would like it, so that you have it to make more. And then I'm also offering the Christmas greenery dies. These are phenomenal. Now, you can choose to fussy cut elements from your patterned paper, or you can use these dies to cut the elements out of the paper so you don't have to fussy cut. It's your choice. So I hope you decide to give Creatively Inked a try if you're not already a subscriber. And if you are, I know you're going to love your kit this month. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, reserve your kit now, because I do anticipate this kit will probably sell out with the number that I'm going to be providing. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope I get to send a Creatively Inked to you for October.